On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Wednesday hump day. Jerome Powell shows up to hump the market. Will he pump it? Will he dump it? Who cares, man? Let's just make some money. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully we're all doing well. Did you hear about the stampede of otters that broke free from the aquarium? It was otter chaos. Oh, man, hitting me with the dad jokes already. Just cover it. Good morning. What's going on, everybody? Good to see y'all here. We got Tony Soprano, Jeffrey Stonecipher, Mido. What's going on? Bout David Brumbelow, Jay Quicksmoker, my man, Oscar. Good to see you guys all in here. Clay the Great, who do you think you are? Good morning, Alexandra. G. How many G's can you say? James, good morning. Albert, Real Vita, Shy Owl. Okay, Frost, good morning. Tony, Wody, good morning. Bitcoin trying to push back here. Double bottom. Money flow coming up. A lot of resistance. Big old dump yesterday. We all shorted this, right? I was able to short the retest to the previous low here. Boop. Right in here. A good old shorty short right here. We weren't long in this, right? That was juicy. My God, Bitcoin. Nice move down. I mean, as to be expected, we were prepared for this in our Discord. We said, sweep of the highs, dump down. It happened fast. Oh, did it happen fast? Han, good morning. Forget about it. Let's get after it. Relentlessly splashy guitars. Al Jr., my man. How's your money tree? Is it growing? Dusty, good morning to you. Zena with the pink hand. Joel, good morning to you. Andrew Cameron, my man. Good to see you, Andrew. Call me Dave Francis Depenna. Good morning to you. Crypto Billy in the chat. My man, the scalping machine, Crypto Billy. We're turning him into an absolute machine. He's printing money, kicking ass, taking names. Thank you for Billy Goat Tales last night. That was awesome. Jedi Gaze. Good to see you, Rashad. Jesse, good luck. Sniper's Nightmare, my man. Good morning to you, bro. Hopefully you're doing well. Dex Crypto, Chantel, Jesse, Rashad. My God. This looks a little toppy to me. I'd like to see the sweep of this high if we're going to get short here. I want to see rotation down to 81,000, but we'll see. We'll see, won't we? We'll always see. Just a bit overextended here, getting everybody's hopium panties back on again. We'll see if it does want to go up, down, all around. Giannis, good morning to you. Kazim, good morning to you. Good to see you. Just cover it with the dad joke. Patrick Sod, good morning. Good to see you. Crypto Rob, the basic chick. The basic chick. No, the basic crypto chick. Das, good morning. Quantum, good to see you. Giannis, good morning. AD, how's it going? Jason, he will dry hump it. You think he's gonna pump it or dry hump it? I don't think he's gonna. I don't think he's gonna show his cards. I think it'll be a nothing burger. We have the liquidity and the tools we need. Pump. Ask Sniper's Nightmare. It's all about the cough. Better call KP. Revenge Trader Jason. Albert Rad Jag Guck Guck. 720 max resolution for the stream? It should be higher. It should be higher. You should be able to get me in HD so you can see my pimples, my dimples, all this stuff, you know? John Appleseed, good morning. Space, Lorelei, good to see you, Lorelei. How's it going? I'm here, and I still suck at trading. Day 25. That's okay. Long way to go, man. Give yourself 7 more months of that, and there's going to be a lot of pain. But thank you for being here. We'll hopefully help and guide you. Happy you're here, Spaced. Crypto Pondering, Dream Big, Massey, Daniel, good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you guys for being here and saying good morning. I do appreciate a good morning. David, Sharkland, Buck. Did you hear about outer space? He's hitting us with more dad jokes. Oh, man. Wells, Jesse, Eddie, HFG, Steve Hickey, good morning. Nice little push here. I believe Dave Digital got long over here last night. I was going to say, Dave, when Dave gets here, we'll talk about your trade. I would be waiting for confirmation, Dave, but we can talk about that. We can talk about it. Hopefully he made some money and paid himself. Al Jr., for some reason, it's not growing. The main leaves, but not longer ones alone. Guess MRS Al Jr. has been watering the ish out of it. Slow down the watering, man. It doesn't need a lot of water. Keep it in the shade. Keep it in the shade, not in direct sunlight. It'll grow, man. The money tree will grow. I promise you that. Oswald, my money tree is growing quite well. Look at this thing. I feel like I'm Sniper's Nightmare's ghillie suit here. Right? You can't really see it, can you? My son loves to pluck the. He's in grabby mode. My son is, so he's trying to rip off all the leaves all the time now when I bring him in the office. So got to be careful there. Uncle Donnie just announced 245% tariffs on China. Jeez. Mark, good morning. Miles, good morning. Let's go, baby. Miles took that short yesterday. Defiant, good morning. Good to see you. Lucky deal. Giannis, how's it going, guys? Very well, thank you. James Millman, good morning, gang. Jesse, good luck. Hopefully you're feeling okay, my man. Dusty, JR, Jambua. What's going on, man? Good morning, JR. Good morning, Paul. Muckin, good afternoon. Shepard, Ondo Poncho, R Pink, my man. Good morning to you, Joey Bitcoins. Little push up here, really, really chopping about, right? We seem to get this very choppy. I actually shorted this morning down to here. quick $80, man. I don't know. I saw it be toppy here. We had 3 drives in here. 3 drives, like very small 3 drives. This is interesting in here. I'd like to see us come lower, but Let's behave ourselves. Okay. Let's behave ourselves. We've done really well. I mean, great long Monday, great long yesterday, then a big dump. So we've been kicking ass here. Like really good. Like I'm really proud of everybody. Good job, everybody. That was a long wait yesterday. I tell you, I was getting a little bit nervous about that long yesterday. I tell you that much, but it played out really well. Hopefully you all made a lot of money. This is never financial advice. We're only here to talk about otters and Jay Powell and why today max resolution 720. Really? I don't think I can change that in here. That shouldn't be the case. Still 720? Damn. Is everybody stuck on 720 as well? Let me know in the chat. Let me check myself. I never, you know those people who like view their channel? They view their channel themselves. Here I am. What is that? What? It's not normally this, is it? Damn. That's what I look like, eh? Oh, fuck. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, you guys. Maybe I should do faceless. Maybe I should do faceless content. I mean, I can disappear if you'd like. I can poof. Houdini, baby. Is that better? Would you prefer me just to, I mean, pixelated AlexOCrypto is better than non-pixelated. I can dip it in the cold water and have shrinkage. Here, we'll go there. I mean, you don't need high pixels to see a chart, do you? We'll be all right. I think we'll be all right. That's okay. Joni, good morning. Let's go. Invisible plan. Yeah, let's go. Good morning, gang. Good morning, Django. Good morning, Jason. 51st state, baby. Let's go. Sniper's been kicking ass this morning. Good job, bro. Top of the morning, Crypto King. Good to see you. Thank you for the super chat yesterday. Much appreciated. Dread, good morning to you. Much better. See, Paul Neal gets it, man. I mean, we're just here. We're just here. Need those facial expressions? Well, when I'm like all focused and pissed off that I shouldn't have gotten in the trade and then we make money. Yesterday I looked so angry. And then the relief after the pump, right? That sigh of relief. Crypto Princess, good morning. I do prefer your pretty face above the graphics. Thank you, Oscar. Thank you, Oscar. That's too kind, man. Saphir, good morning to you. HFG, Crypto Princess, Colin. Good morning, Jason. Why are you thinking a rollover after taking the high? Because, well, if we're going to push back, right? Let's talk about it. And I do have sell walls above here. It's not like I'm thinking it's going to go up only from here. So let's take a look-see, shall we? All right. So bearish divergence, right? Mitigation of the high, right? Hasn't swept this low, hasn't swept this low. Okay, so we still have, technically, this is still a higher low in conjunction with these. Now, we did roll over aggressively. So what are we looking for generally is some sort of retest continuation down. Okay, we have a nice support level here. If we're looking and zooming out really with this range, Why do I have this marked? Maybe. Yes. So this is the bottom of that range. Okay. So 82.2. But you can see we're retesting the point of control right now. So broke down, retest the point of control. Can we continue downwards? We are in a short-term downtrend. We have rolled over. Everybody is super bullish, which isn't bad. I'm definitely looking down at 81. Value area low, golden pocket of the range. If we're going from swing low to swing high here, right? You'd have to really be picking this apart, like going from saying this is your golden pocket retracement zone here. I don't like this one. Okay, that to me, you're splitting hairs. So for now, looking at this on short-term timeframes, what we're expecting, right, we got a nice double bottom in here, bull flag. So if we are going to sweep, that would be ideal. And continuation down, trying to come for this low over here. Okay. Then we can look for higher lows and maybe a push up into this order block in here. However, if we do continue upwards, this would be very overextended, which is great. However, then we're looking for a retest continuation into here and then go up. Okay? So if this, then that. Just being prepared level to level. It's how we always trade. Right? We were expecting the sweep of the highs yesterday. We got that sweep of the highs. We took the long up. Great job, everybody. There was a perfect retest here to get short on to take this all the way down. Okay, I took both, made lots of money. So today we try to do a little bit of the same. What do we got? We got double bottom, bull flag, balloon dog, right? Can this push? Possibly. I'm just not. The reason why we longed yesterday, okay? This is what we need to understand. Okay, let's go to yesterday. Yesterday we longed here, right? Correct, everybody? We all made money. We longed right here, right? We all made money all the way up. The reason why we took this long, right? We had bullish divergence in here. Boop. We had a higher high here. Boop. We had VWAP holding here. Boop. Okay, VWAP holding. So very simple trade yesterday, right? Very easy, brainless almost. Okay. But what gave us the idea for this is the fact that we hadn't taken this. The fact that we didn't sweep this high. You're looking for a mitigation of the liquidity in this high. You can see here we never took it, right? So where are we today? We're in the exact same situation. Can it pump? Absolutely. Absolutely. But if we invert this, right? We invert this, what does this look like right now? Where are we trading right now? We got double bottom. We got a choppy on the upside. If I took this to where we're trading right now, it would look very similar, wouldn't it? Okay, so let's understand, where we are, right? So now we look at where we are now. What do we have, right? We got the double bottom. We got the push up, overextended. We got liquidity below us here. And we haven't swept the low below us as well. Okay? That doesn't mean we're coming down. It just means that there is a target at 82,700 for us to take. Okay? I'm surprised they didn't take it. So we'll see. Now we are in more of a mid to high term time frame downtrend, but we are in a relief rally right now. So can this push up? Absolutely. So being prepared, having the map drawn out to where we think price can go, targets, and then trying to participate with good risk management and confirmation. That's what we try to do every day. Or we just copy trade Sniper's Nightmare. That's also an option, okay? What's going on, DDT? Front Run Central. Yeah, man, it's trading a lot like Ethereum, isn't it? Totally. Army Piper, my man. What's going on, bro? Good to see you in the chat. Piper Academy, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Hopefully we answered that question. No trade so far here. I shorted this morning. Took profit, stop loss to entry. It was a quick little scalp. Shorted this little bad boy in here. Hey, quick $80, man. Took it. This looks like we want to push. Okay, see if we sweep this high here. If we sweep this high and get a lower high coming into today, we'll short this thing down to 0. Okay? If not, we look for continuation. But this is interesting in here. Look at this perfect little balloon dog on the 3-minute. Boop. A little bit of patience here. Is anybody in a trade right now? I'm assuming you guys are all long off the bottom because you guys are amazing traders here. Good morning. Good afternoon, Michael. Good afternoon, AlexOCrypto, or good morning, HFG. Good morning. You got long with Dave last night. Yeah. Dave got long right in here. Continuation here, pushing up. We got news in 9 minutes, everybody. Just so you're aware. I think it's retail sales, is it? What do we got here? Retail sales, guys. And gals. And gals. Don't forget the gals. We added the Randy Hipper emoji, so once she comes in here, if she comes in here today, we'll spam the crap out of it, okay? Dread mining. 88.5? Yeah, that would be cool, man. But it's a long way away right now. A long way away. For me, anyways. Nice relief here. The NAS. The NAS is balloon dogging to the max. Okay, double bottom balloon dog. Look at this thing. This is like the perfect purebred schnauzer, man. This is like as good as it gets for balloon dogs. So looks a bit bullish. Looks a bit bullish. I'm not gonna lie here. Now this S&P, man, looks like don't look too good, man. Looks pretty flaccid. We'll put it that way. Bitcoin pushing here, trying to go. Let me know if you are in a long. We got 403 people in here. Good morning to every single one of you guys. If you wouldn't mind smashing up that like button, it really does help the channel. I do appreciate you guys. Dusty, good morning. What's going on, XR Django? He's going to take a leak. Alfalfa. What's going on? Shy Owl, Timmy Grant. Good morning. Long from the bottom. Let's go. Great job. Great job, man. You guys are absolute kicking ass, taking names, man. Love it. Nice push here for Bitcoin coming into the news data. The news data. We still got 7 minutes for the data to do its thing. Or data. Give one good trade. Where have you been, man? Where have you been? You haven't been here. You come for one day. You missed all the trades yesterday. I'm gonna let you think about missing. I'll give you a minute. Okay, a minute to think about what you're saying here. Greek Feta, good morning. I just want a good morning sponsorship, bravo. I'll give you a trade. A trade, you can go over and live trade with someone who doesn't do it for a living. I don't know what to say to that, man. Good morning, Ruiz. Good morning, Justice Sub. Red area order block. Yeah, big order block above us here. Golden pocket at the top of the order block. So favoring higher in here more than right here. Okay. We also have another order block in here. Okay. So pick your poison. Pick your poison. Key level of resistance after we sweep. If we sweep this morning, I would expect to sweep. And then we're going to giga short this thing down to 0, okay? Good morning. Taking profits instead of screenshots. That's it, man. That's how we roll. Data. Darren speaks the Queen's English, so it is data. Love from India. Thank you for being here, India. Dixie looking about to rip. Is it? Don't tease me. Rip to the upside or the downside. This is a bear flag. This thing's gonna die. China. It's all China's fault, right, Piper? Ask Piper to talk about China and the 10-year bonds. That's what you want Piper to talk about. Look at the push here. Sweeping of the highs over here. Okay, nice push. Kalut, good morning to you. Gains for life. Can you tell me something about Mavia? Mavia is a token that can pump or dump. Don't really do we're considering doing another live stream, but I don't know. Let's ask. We got 4 minutes till the news here. Trade setup live stream. Shorts. Teaching. Videos. Other. You guys tell me. I'm not one of these guys who are going to I can't just pump content like it's my job. I'm a carpenter and a trader. It's like YouTube's exhausting, man. YouTube is so exhausting. Ask any content creator. Ask any content creator. You gotta make the video, edit the video, upload the video. I just want to trade with my community, kick ass, take names in the Discord, make money. That's what I like doing. I like teaching with the guys in the Discord, helping them out. That's where it's at, man. That's where it's at. Jakes would love to see me trade alts. I used to, man. I mean, if I was to pick an altcoin to trade, it would probably be... There's a Sui set up here, by the way, if anybody's interested. Sui long critical level right now, if you're wondering. Anybody in the Discord? Look at this one we gave in the Discord. I think that was a pretty good long setup. Oof. Ooh, baby. Oh, baby. Look at that. That was sexy. There's another one, same level. Fair divs in here. Here comes the news, everybody. 45 seconds. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 450 people in here on the live stream. God bless every single one of you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel, smashing up that like button, hanging out with us. You could be anywhere, but you're here with a whole bunch of fuzzy, degenerate otters. Thank you. Very grateful. Very grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. 18 seconds here. Bada bing, bada boom. Here we go. 0. I'm going to go 1%. 1.4 comes in higher. Comes in higher. Retail sales, baby. Increased to 1.4% in March over the previous. Piper, what is it? Bearish, bullish, scaredish? Nothing burgerish? Let's go. So people are spending. That's what this tells me. People are spending. People are spending. Whoop-de-doo. They're all in debt. FG in the house. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Flop and Groper coming through, blessing the stream. Is this going to be our mitigation of the high? No reason to cut and may see more inflation. Great. Great. FG, how you been, man? Did we get to 5K? Guys, why aren't you... You guys are all subscribed to Flop and Groper, right? We're going to get him to 5K soon. 4.8. My man. God bless you. Market Cypher family. The FG push-up machine. God bless you, bro. I think you got to start doing those push-ups again. Get us back up to 100K, man. Guys, if you want to learn, anybody in my Discord that asks about trading VWAP, okay? Anybody who asks, this is where you go, okay? This is where you go. Not my little dinky VWAP here, okay? Not my little daily noodle VWAP. I'm talking about that VWAP quarterly, yearly, flipperelli, you know? That's where you go. So make sure you guys are subscribed to Flop and Groper. You will learn quite a lot. He also has an amazing Discord. He also has a great VWAP indicator. I haven't used it. I'm still waiting for my private lesson, bro. Oh, man. Where is it? Anyways, incredible. Good people. Good people. 3 wins, 1 loss past week. That's great, man. That's good. Yeah, I'm up 900 this week. It's been slower. Overtraded a couple on Monday. The last 3 weeks, though, I've had some of my best trading ever. So it's been going really good. Volatility is my best friend. So looks like a burger here. Love from Dubai. Thank you for being here from Dubai. I hide in the Discord though. Thanks for the motivation. Hey man, you're doing well, bro. You're doing well. You're trading well. That's it, man. The YouTube thing's exhausting, man. It is. Especially when you teach 3 times a day, right? That's what I do. I also teach, so it all adds up. So a little mitigation of the high here. Nothing I'm looking to trade just yet. Still interested in coming down here. We'll see if we mitigate any of these lows here, and then we can look for a retest possibly back down here. If we do come down below, we can look for this, but nothing just yet. Anybody short that high here? Anybody short that? I mean, possible setup, but I'd be taking profits pretty early considering we're in a bit of an uptrend here. A little bit overextended. 488 people. Thank you for being here. You can give me a lesson. Darren does things. You're amazing, bro. Love you, bro. DDT. Leapfrogging. 84,400 target. Okay. I'm about to retire. Boat on the lake every day and fish. Piper, you're going to retire on me, man? I can't. That's not cool, bro. Sponsorship Bravo. Welcome, bro. I'm going to ask you to go into the corner for a day. Okay, go into the corner for a day and ask yourself, what are you doing with your life, bro? What are you doing with your life? Good morning, Magic Mike. Two Brews, good morning. Yeah, I stream Two Brews. I'm here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Live trading. We've taken two amazing trades Monday, Tuesday. We kicked ass last week. We were like 7 for 8 last week. We were just the past 3 months we've been on the live streams. We've been kicking a lot of butt, so it's been lots of fun. Lots of fun. I'll tell you when I'm entering, there's a delay. It's not financial advice. It's not for you to do. Trading is risky. Do this at your own expense. Probably better to go work at McDonald's. All that. Okay? No problem, man. Do you sometimes give away spots in the premium Discord? Yeah, absolutely. We do giveaways all the time for the Discord. Absolutely. I'm thinking about doing something for Easter. Something for Easter. What do you guys think? Gotta pay a respect to Jesus. We got 4 days till Easter, man. You only trade live or what? I trade after the live stream. Look at this. What a cheeky little beep. What a cheek. All right. Mitigation of the high in here. Rolling over here on the 12-minute. I like that. Now the 1 hour is the 1 hour trigger wave is what concerns me here. Everything else, so like the 2, the 3, the 4 hour, look bullish. Okay, you got like a nice continuation up. Okay, the 1 hour trigger wave is what's concerning this morning. Okay, be aware. Okay, be aware. Not out of the woods yet, friends. What is this? Okay. Very simple. Even the flag guys can figure this one out. Okay. The 2 got room to the upside. The 3 room to the upside. Money coming up. Okay. The 4 hour trigger wave. This looks dangerously cheesy, as the Cheetos guy would say. Okay. Because this is a Jesus take the wheel. What do we have here, everybody? Jesus take the wheel. We have a beautiful hump. He has a little. He's actually turtle heading right now. He probably has to go to the washroom. And then he has a very spiky hand here. And then, boom. Okay, this is a Jesus take the wheel on the 4 hour. This can take a little bit of time though. First, okay. He's turtle heading. You know, don't want to get that robe dirty. So be aware. So we do have a Jesus take the wheel pattern here. However, we are rolling over right now. Short-term time frame suggests that we can come down for the lows possibly one more time and then bounce. Always just a suggestion. Mitigation of the low right here. Randy Hipper. Everybody, Randy Hipper emojis. Deploy. Everybody deploy the Randy Hipper emojis, please. Thank you guys for being here. Let's see the Randy Hipper emojis. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Randy. Good to see you. I'm sorry I didn't do it yesterday. I've been super busy. Let's go. Pump the zest. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Complete zesty show here for Randy Hipper. They're going to do us dirty like that and just take that high. Are they really? Got continuation here. Let's see if it holds the momentum to the upside. That's such a weak high. Like this is so cheeky, man. This is the market, right? Anybody short this? Put a 1 in the chat if you shorted that. What a bunch of douche canoes, man. You guys shorted that. You guys. I love you guys, man. I mean, half the time I give you guys the setups and I don't take them myself. Damn, Daniel. I'm going to counter trade you. You know that, right? Still short from 86.3, but 80% out. Nice, Tony. Good work. Demetris, good morning. Matthew. Still waiting for that market open scam wick. Jeez, Quick Smoker knows, bro. He knows. NASDAQ rolling over too here. Should be fun. I don't know. I don't know yet. See, I don't like. See, this looks so tantalizing for it to come back down to. Like we said, didn't take this low here. Oh, you guys got the mitigation of the high, eh? Oh, you guys are good. You guys are good, man. I love. I'm totally not jealous. Like I'm totally like, man. It means we're doing our job, right? It means we're doing our job. People are finding key levels, entering trades, paying themselves. Like that's why we do it, right? At the end of the day, I want you all to win. Full divs on NAS. It's pretty slow. What is the VIX still? Is the VIX still crazy here? What is the VIX at? We up in the 40s still, or what? No, we've dropped. Okay, so we're settling. I mean, this is volatile. This is very volatile. It's not as crazy as it was. However, still very volatile here, above 21, 22-ish. It's a very volatile zone. Okay? So the volatility is still apparent. So let's not be confused that it's going to be whip snappery, okay? Whip snappery. We need to be prepared for that, okay? Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. No trades so far. Bunch of you guys got short off the mitigation of the high. That's great. We got Jerome Powell today at 1:30 Eastern Standard Time speaking. Who knows what he's going to say? Should be fun. Get your popcorn out. Probably not a good time to trade. Watch out for when he coughs, when he goes, ugh. That's where he's telling all the investors to buy or sell. He'll say something bullish and he'll go, ugh. And Chair Powell will pump the market. Or say something bearish and go, ugh. And then he'll dump the market. So it's a fact, man. USD dominance is going up. Yep. USDT dominance is in a rounded top, though. So this does appear to be bearish, which means up for Bitcoin. So let's get rid of this trend line. Don't want to be confused by that. We'll see how it reacts around VWAP. If it comes back down here, that would be a target very easily. Nice move this morning. Holy smokes already. Nice move this morning. Great job, everybody who took that trade. Yeah, so 12-minute, 24-minute looking like it wants to roll over, in all honesty. What was I talking about when this happened? This was news, wasn't it? That's why. You guys took the news trade. You guys are brave. Very brave. I commend you. SFP into VWAP. That would be good. Today, stay in long too much and get out, not 600, but get 300. Now I'm in again and short. Hope to go down. I think it will. Good, man. Yeah, make sure you pay yourself, though, along the way, brother. Talk dirty to me, Alex. Sawdust? Mud? Gravel and dust? How's that, Mark? Did I hit it? How did I do? You let me know. Good to see you, Randy. Please tell me Bitcoin can hit 87,000. Yeah, possibly even next year. Might go to 50 and then back up to 87,000. I'm new to trading and I want to ask what I draw to chart. What is more important to look for, like golden pocket fib? Well, if you're new to charting, I suggest you do watch some basic videos. We have a whole playlist on mine. There's other content creators. Tom Crown does a great job for basic trading playlists, but you're getting your feet wet, which is good, and welcome, and thank you for being here. Your number one job as a new trader is to trade a paper account. Okay? Don't trade your real money. Mark up your charts like an Etch-a-Sketch kindergarten kid. I would pick 3 to 4 things to have. An oscillator, a volume, whether it's regular volume, VWAP, fixed range volume profile. There's tons of them. And then something else, order blocks, whatever, fair value gaps. But don't go too crazy with it. I think that's the thing is you got to find something that works for you and develop a relationship with those tools, right? That's why I use Market Cipher. I'm not going to RSI. I'm not going to whatever else, right? I've been using Market Cipher forever. I understand it, right? It's time spent developing those skills, right? So welcome, though. Thank you for being here. Please protect yourself. I mean, when I was new, no one told me to manage my risk first, to trade a paper account first. Okay, that's what you must do. Otherwise, you're just going to be paying for your tuition. And that's a nice way of saying losing your money. Okay? And don't get me wrong, when you're new to trading, they'll give you that first tip for free. They'll give you the dopamine hit where you make, 2x your account and then boom, you're ruined. You're hooked. You're hooked, okay? It happens to everyone. Ask them. Okay? MC is the GOAT indicator. I'm biased AF, yeah. I am too, Darren. I mean, we've all been using it for 3+ years, haven't we? So, yeah, I do swing trades, not as often though. We give lots of swing trades in the Discord. I mean, we have multiple traders giving trade setups, but rolling over here. Congratulations on your shorts, everybody. Good job. Randy Hipper, giving away memberships. God bless you, Randy. God bless you. Thank you so much, Randy, for supporting the channel. Giver's gain, baby. Giver's gain. Pedro, Quiz, Lurker, Two Brews. Welcome. Let's DIY. Nice SFP of the low here. Lurker. Unknown. Lurker. Andy Lee. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Little one is doing well. Baby Otter is well. Thank you for your kind words, Andy Lee. Hopefully you're well. God bless you. Real boss man. Lurker. Sore butt. Sore butt. Lurker. Thank you so much, Randy. God bless you. We're all looking long here, right? Good job on your shorts. Make sure you pay yourself coming into VWAP. Dave Digital. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Dave is changing a tire. Uh-oh. Watch out. Watch out. Dave's changing a tire. Good morning, Lewis. Good morning to you, Catalyst. Doing great here. A lot going on. Gardening, running around fitness studio. Appraisal office, spreading energy. 11 grandbabies. That's amazing. God bless you, Andy. Hopefully you're doing well. We didn't get the slap, man. We didn't get the slap. Froth, we're not getting the slap. They're teasing us. They're front running everything. They're front running everything. Almost 9 o'clock here. No trade yet. Super Grandma. Let's go. That's the one. Paper Planes, my man. Good morning. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you, man. Buck, good to see you as well. Magic Mike. I don't know about long today, says Revenge Trader. This does look like it's coming down. Swing low to swing high here. Golden Pocket 786 level, VWAP. Okay, so there's a lot of confluence in here. We got previous days. Okay, as well. Days, I believe it's close. Is it close or doesn't? Day close, yeah. Previous daily low and previous daily close. Okay, so we got those in there. We got VWAP in here. There's a lot of confluence or however the heck you say that word. I say confluence in this area as well. However, rolling over right now. A bunch of you guys shorted the top. Good job. We can also look for the retracement and continuation back down. Remember, our target is to sweep this low at 82.7. However, this is going to give us a nice sweep of the low in here, and this could continue back up. So really stuck in the middle of this range here. No real decision yet. No real decision yet. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. $550 people in here. I'm kind of upset we didn't take that short from the high. I'm not going to lie. I'm happy you guys are winning, but come on, man. Come on, man. Why are you taking that short without telling me to go short as well? I thought we were all here to work together, you know? Having a community is actually an edge, for real. It is. I mean, you're not like an octopus. You're not looking at 50 things at the same time, right? So it's hard. That's why, the Discord's fire, because if I'm looking at something, someone else is looking at something, right? We all here to kind of kick ass, take names together, right? Bro, I saw your chart and I take it. I mean, it worked. Doesn't work all the time, but it worked, didn't it? It worked. I can't knock you for seeing the chart and doing whatever you wanted to do, right? You can do whatever you want. A little bit of patience here. Me feeling bad as well? Listening to someone else trading while trading helps reduce the FOMO for me. Good. Stay in the trade longer, whatever it is, right? This price action is painful. I agree. Yeah. Choppy, 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 quick move, choppy, choppy, quick move, and then choppy, right? So it's gonna outweigh us for the most part here. $12 minutes rolling over, resetting. $15, lots of room to the downside still. Money flow crossover to the downside. Still looking bearish. We got 30 seconds on this candle here. This is a nasty candle. Look at that. Look at that. Woo. Damn, Daniel. Oh, man. Still waiting here. I wouldn't be surprised if we do get a little push and then continuation if we're gonna. Giving us like a nice bear div or something at this area in here. Or bull div, sorry. Okay, that's our 30-minute there. The 30-minute confirmed candle, very bearish candle. Our hourly candle here, very bearish candle as well. Okay, so we got a wick up at the highs here. Perfect tap. Continuation down. Bullish engulfing of the Doge here. So this doesn't look too good. Coming into market open. Okay. However, we know it's choppy right now, so we don't want to get too ahead of ourselves. Want to be patient here. I really got to take a tinkle, guys, so I'm going to be right back and fill my coffee while we do it. Let me put on some tunes for you guys. It's not good to have to tinkle while trading, okay? Tinkling and trading is not it's never financial advice. All right?
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Oh, here it comes. VWAP slap, baby. See, I knew I came back just in time. That was the longest tinkle of my life. Put a 1 in the chat if you're ever taking a tinkle and like, I guess this only applies for men, but you're standing and your legs get tired. Does that happen to anyone else? Is that bad? Like, holy smokes, man, this has been a while. That's just me? Okay. So where are you from? I'm from Canada, man. The land of the taxes. That's where I'm from. Where we pay taxes. I paid my taxes yesterday. Oh my God, what a kick in the nads. Time to start sitting. Oh. Too heavy, Buck. I'm in the land of the taxes. Who tinkles? So many taxes. It's crazy. You too, Alexander G. I can't believe that the amount of taxes I paid. Even though I sold my Ethereum and I just started my business. So the business was pretty fresh with the paid Discord. Because obviously the Discord was free for 3 years, and then we monetized the Discord, and that was only for 3 months. But holy smokes, capital gains tax, my God. 51st state, baby, let's go. We got taxes on cow farts, taxes on gas, carbon tax, federal tax, municipal tax. Breathing tax. Tax on tax. Property tax, profit taxes, luxury tax. That's another one. Luxury tax. That's called liberal government. But what can I say? Fuel and vehicle tax, sin tax, sales tax, payroll and health taxes. I'm reading them off now. My God. Crazy. Breathing tax. Straight white male tax. Is that one? Straight white male tax. I tried to tell them I identify as Lord Otter and King Beaver so they'd reduce my taxes. Didn't work. They didn't work. They wanted my paw prints, not my fingerprints. They wanted my paw prints. Peeing and pooping tax? Yeah, absolutely. That's called water bill. It's called the water bill, man. Beaver tax. The only person who can give me beaver tax is my wife. That's it. I shouldn't be getting beaver tax from the government. I ain't getting no beaver. My wife can give me beaver tax. I'll buy her nice things. Sir, are you Muslim? No, I believe in God. I don't know. I'm not a good Catholic. I'm not a good Muslim. I love otters and I love people. Man. They even tax me for buying TradingView. To Django, are we going to trade or what? Is this a valid setup? Not in my opinion. This is very, very shockingly bad price action. Okay? Waiting for a bottom to come in. I can't force the price to move. I wish I could. I wish I had those powers. I don't have those powers. Good morning, Lunar Beaches, man. How you doing, bro? You're working too hard. I can tell already. How's the prop firm doing? How's breakout going? Lunar Beaches is trying breakout. Good job, bro. Ali Kima. Django trades the hot dog. Yeah, we're in hot dog zone, Django. We're in complete hot dog zone. We want to trade the buns. We had the trade at the buns, but it was news. Now we can trade the hot dog zone based on price action and confluence. We did say to short up here, but I did not take it because I guess I was just talking a bunch of smack. I'm trying to bounce off VWAP here. We'll see if we get something in here. Or if we come for that low. Okay. We get a retest continuation. We're looking for retest continuation, or we're looking for bottoming structure and continuation out, targeting up into this 85K zone. Okay. So that's the plan for today. Right now, it's like no movement. Okay. We're not here to, I don't know what this looks like, an elf shoe. Okay. It's not something I want to trade right now. Just want to be patient here. We have broken down, right? We have broken down. We've left a lot above us to come and take possibly, but there is still liquidity below us that I'm interested in. So for now, it's no trade. It's just waiting, and hopefully the price comes to us. So we wait for now, Django. We wait for now. Don't want to be too hasty. This wasn't an easy short up here, but we had the level. Some people took it. Congratulations. I'm sure they've paid themselves now coming into VWAP. And then hopefully we can make some better decisions as market opens. Ali, can I buy Ethereum at current price as long-term investment? I'd wait. Until you have confirmation on Bitcoin of like a macro higher high and a higher low, meaning a mitigation about, I think it's 90,000 would be our mitigation area. Yeah, but you need a candle close above 89. That would give me a little bit more of a, and then you'd be looking for the retrace after that. So you want a candle close above 89, then you want to wait for the retrace and continuation. Nothing until then, man. I wouldn't be buying any altcoins unless it's like, even Ethereum, it's like probably a safe 3x from here. Not going to say it isn't. If we do get a run, Ethereum probably goes back up to $4,000 pretty easy. But right now, pretty bearish. So I wouldn't touch anything. I bought some more Bitcoin at 81K. I think Bitcoin is going to be around for another 5 to 10 years easy. Right? It's long-term hold. I haven't bought anything else. That's just me, though. You do what you want. Continuing to roll over here. Good morning, Artie. What's going on, Gains for Life? Miles, good to see you. Jeanette. Solana would be a better buy, says Jeanette. There you go. I trade the elf shoe. Yeah. Trade the elf shoe. That'd be good, eh? Al Jr., Lunar Beaches, Gains for Life. Good to see you guys. Kurosama, Army Piper. Crypto winter is coming, says Army Piper. Pie Bear. What did you do for work before you started trading? I'm a journeyman carpenter, my friend. So I was on the tools for 13 years, man, building houses, framing houses, building high-rise, scaffolding, trim work. You name it, I built it. Got my card and everything, training, apprenticeship finished, all that stuff. So, yeah. 13 years on the tools. 15 if you count 15, 16 if you count the apprenticeship. Depends on what I'm doing, our pink. If I'm doing like basic work, I'll typically have an est wing, but I have a stiletto as well for framing. I have a stiletto hammer, Martinez hammer for framing. And then a regular 16, 18 ounce est wing. How old are you, Alex? I just turned 35. I do have my baby. A hickory dickory Doc Martinez hammer. This is I do have a beautiful, it would look, I got a hickory one. These aren't cheap. We'll put it that way. Has anybody swung a Martinez hammer before? Oh boy. This is mine right here, hickory hammer. Oh baby. 2 shots, 3-inch spikes all day long, baby. All day long. Bam, bam, bam. Love it. I still love driving a nail. Let's get hammered and I'll nail ya. You know, all the carpenter jokes. Let's all get hammered and I'll nail ya. VWAP slap here. 12 minutes till market opens. I got a left-handed hammer as well. It's for it's when you can't reach. You know, when you're trying to hammer across your body, like you're doing like some soffit or some fascia or something like that above your head. I got a left-handed hammer. Swings so well. It's pink. Okay, I'll stop. I'll stop, man. People are probably thinking this guy's. People probably think I'm serious right now. Jakes wants to get hammered and and get nailed. All right, slapping view up here, guys. This price action is very, very, very scammy. I think it's gonna snap some necks here. I don't know which way it's gonna go. It's kind of like this is a 50-50 area, man. Like until we have some, I need to see some sort of volatility in here. I'm not taking this here. Hot dog zone. Pushing through, view up. Thank you everybody for being here, hanging out, talking about our hammers. A whole bunch of guys trading here, sitting on their wanking chariots, talking about their hammers. It's pretty interesting to say the least. I never thought I would be here hanging out with you guys, talking about my hammer, my all that stuff. I mean, we're 94% female, I think, which is pretty good. Did you say wanking chariots? Yeah, that's what I call everybody here that's what I call your desk chairs. I call it a wanking chariot. I don't know. Tell me it's not your wanking chariot. I bet you it is. What consists of bottoming structure? What I highly suggest you do, go through your chart, go on like a half-hour time frame, and go and mark out every bottom and every top. Vertical line, okay? Alt-V. Anywhere where you want to buy, make it green. Anywhere where you want to sell, make it red, okay? And go and look what it looks like. That's what bottoming structure looks like. Topping structure, right? Go and look where you want to sell. Mark it out and go and back test it and look at it. That'll be your best data-rich information that you'll ever get. Go and mark it all out where you want to sell. What is this? This is an SFP of the high. Break a structure to the downside. Head and shoulders pattern. Right? Go and look what it looks like. Tons of it. Tons of it around. You got to know what it looks like. And then you typically want to trade off confirmation. You get bullish divergence in here. You get a retest of the highs. You get continuation back out. Okay, so you take this trade out to here. Right now you get sweep of the highs in here, mitigation of the high over here, rejection back down. Okay, so you're going to have to do some work being able to recognize what that structure does look like. We got 8 minutes till market open, everybody. Sorry we couldn't force the trade. We suggested to short from here, but we didn't take it, okay? It's been a long, slow grind down. Slow price action. Douche canoes, wanking chariots, it's all here. You wank in the garden. Whatever you guys are into, man. Whatever you guys are into. Okay, so you guys want to see another live stream for altcoins, top-down analysis. I used to do that, man. I'm thinking about getting someone to make shorts. Don't go messaging me. Last time I said that, I got like 50 messages. Oh, I'll make you shorts. One more hour of this would be great. I have to do it in the Discord. Wanking canoes. Tamale can teach me how to make my own shorts. See, there we go. Discord member. God bless you, Tamale. AI can do shorts. What are you talking about? A Canadian popsicle, Tony? front running the golden pocket into market open. I hate this price action right now. Waiting. Trading is waiting, baby. I mean, this would be a nice bounce. We have equal lows right now as well. Reclaim of VWAP. Push back here into market open. It's been pretty slow going into market open, though, hasn't it? Yesterday was the same thing. We waited in that trade yesterday, right? All day. We waited here. We waited here. We waited here. Then market open happened here, right? There's market open. So we got long in here. Great job. Then, wow. So, nothing new, just a little bit slower today. That's all I see. Thanks everybody for being here. We got 550 people in here. Thank you so much. 205 likes. I appreciate that. We're 720 quality today, which is a new feature we have. Flipping through, what do we see here? So the 4 hour, Jesus take the wheel pattern, trying to push back up. Okay, 3 hour, trying to push back up, bottoming structure, green dot, trying to push. Okay, no push has happened as of yet. The 2 hour, trying to push as well. But that 1 hour trigger wave, we warned you guys this morning, 1 hour trigger wave was concerning. VWAP coming down as well. Okay, so I would prefer if we were to get long, that would be something like this, and that would be 4 o'clock. So that would be Asia pump, possibly, if we're going to roll over here. Not to say we are, but that would be how I would forecast it for now. This is a bear flag. We clearly didn't take the short. Still a little bit sour about that, but we'll be okay. Mitigation of the high. So now we get up to this high now, and we look for that one to be mitigated as well. I would prefer to see a sweep in here and then a go. Okay, something like that. And that would give us our beautiful anchor trigger wave bullish divergence into the liquidity of this low over here. However, I do have a target of 81,400-ish area if we are going to continue to roll over. Okay, so if this, then that, just trying to be patient here. Got 2.5 minutes till market opens. We were prepared for the long yesterday. We were prepared for the short yesterday. We've been taking some really good trades on the live stream with everybody here. So great job, everybody, for kicking ass and taking names. It's been lots of fun. Lots of smack talk a lot lately. So good fun. I enjoy the banter. I think that's, trading can be lonely, right? Trading can be lonely. So why not do what I normally do every day and hang out with you guys? So thank you for keeping me entertained. I do expect a good morning out of you. That's all I ask, is for you to say good morning and get me 250 likes. That's it. That's all we ask. Right now we're at 220, so I think we can get to 250 today. If you do want to take your trading further, you can join our Discord. Super duper amazing Discord. We do have a live stream today in the Discord. And yeah, it's been really good. We'll get 350 likes today. That would be pretty cool. That'd be pretty cool. I think our records, let's call it 650 viewers, which is really good. Like, I'm super impressed with you guys. Pushing up here. 30 seconds, everybody. SPY. Looking for a gap up. We'll see. Got some sort of this is really ugly, but really ugly. NASDAQ sweeping down into our buy level down here from this morning. See if it holds. Bitcoin trying to push up through VWAP here. Coming into market open. Let's see how it opens. I'd expect a gap down into here. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, we're down into here. Let's see if we can recover today. That would be cool. A little pushback here for the SPY. Nice pushback here for Bitcoin as well. Bouncing off of VWAP here, pushing back. I'm going to get long. Quick snap long. See if we continue here. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Nope, no siree, Bob. No siree, Bob. Little fake out this morning. Stopped out. $100 loss. Roll over here. Coming down to golden pocket, bounce zone. It happens quick when it happens, doesn't it? It was a quick loss. $200 loss. That's fine. I wanted to see if it would rip. Obviously, it's a fake out. Sometimes you can catch that and it rips up. So a little bit of patience here. Golden pocket bounce now. We'll see how it goes. Could have stayed in this. See if it holds VWAP here. I'll get long again if it holds VWAP. Holding VWAP here. No trade yet. Want to see how this candle closes here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Decent close. Let's see this candle here. Yeah, I'll buy. I'm long again. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push. Come on. Don't be a namby-pamby. Stalling out here a little bit. Where's the follow through? Come on. Looking for follow through here. Retest these lows. First take profit. Take profit hit. Stop loss to entry. 280 realized. Up $40 now. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. GG's, everybody. Could have stayed in that trade, but you know what? I didn't want to get rugged here, so getting stopped out was a better choice in my opinion. And we reclaimed VWAP, took an actual good trade. See if we can push up here. Come on, Bitcoin, push, baby. Look to take this to the highs if we get there. I mean, this is going to be obviously your first resistance like we just hit. Okay, your first resistance is going to be the previous lows. Stop loss at entry. See if we can continue upwards here. Great job, everybody. NASDAQ pushing. SPY pushing. Okay. Dominance dumping. Not looking bad. Nice and protected now. We'll see if this does want to push up. If not, whatever. Take the money and run, right? Take the money and run. Good job, everybody. We got to share the loss too. A little bit of slippage, 250. So we lost 250. You know what? I don't mind that. Good risk management. I'd rather take the 250 loss right here. There's that loss. A little bit rushed, right? And then now we're in this trade. So great job, everybody. Got to manage that risk. I mean, turned out to be a nice trade right now. So see if we want to continue to push here, looking to target the highs. Bitcoin ripping, baby. Bitcoin ripping. Let's go. Come up to the highs here. Take another half off. Okay. Front run that high a little bit here. See if it does want to push through. Great job, everybody. So far, so good. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Kicking ass, taking names. Take the money and run. Pretty ballsy, taking along? I don't think so, man. I don't think so. I think, it's all there, right? Golden pocket. VWAP reclaim. Candle close above VWAP. Continuation trade. NASDAQ bouncing. SPY bouncing. USDT dominance topping out. Liquidity above us. It's all there. It's all there. Market open volatility. Just you got to participate safely, right? That's the thing. It's like we took the quick stop loss, but at the end of the day, we were actually right with that trade. It's just we rushed it a little bit, right? So getting stopped out there wasn't a bad decision either. Okay. I'm going to take another half off here. Okay. Come on, Bitcoin push, baby. There we go. Another half off here. Up $400 today, guys. $400. So up another 200. Great job. So far, so good, everybody. Thank you guys for being here. I mean, I guess this is why you show up. To talk about douche canoes. To talk about, what else do we talk about? We talked about wanking chariots today. Okay, everybody here in their wanking chariot. Going, AlexOCrypto. I'm kidding, man. I hope you don't do that, man. That would kind of scare me. Please don't be doing that. Okay? Love from Germany. Whoa, what happened there? Did that just reset on everybody? I just got like a flash. The flash in the pan here. Got 600 people in here. 269 likes, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Looking for the mitigation of the high here. Coming into golden pocket area for this, right? So you can counter trade yourself always, right? So 786 tap here. This can come down easily. I've raised my stop loss a little bit here to guarantee some more profits. Okay, stop loss. It's a little bit higher here. Looking to come up to here though. Really. Now our next target becomes this order block in here. So the 84,400. All right. Looking left confluence, level to level, baby. Got some resistance as well up in here. So here's a key resistance level. Key order block. We'll see how price behaves if it wants to continue to push here. If not, we'll counter trade it right back down to zero. How come you don't use Coinbase? Coinbase is questionable, man. Fees, all that stuff. Yeah. I have my OG t-shirt on today. Let's go. Snipers. We got Sniper's Nightmare, Tony Soprano, Army Piper, all the mods. Is that standard VWAP indicator? It's VWAP standard deviations. So you have deviations off of your VWAP. That's all it is. Standard deviations. I treat it like a Bollinger Band. Nas ripping, baby. Let's go. Nice bounce level for the Nas. SPY pushing back up. USDT dominance. Look how overextended it is. Look for it to come back down here today. That would be your target if you're going to roll over. Very overextended, right? Just like the dump. Okay. Great trade, everybody. Great trade. Coinbase is garbage, putting it nicely, yeah. I am on Coinbase's garbage as well. Looks like it's coming down here a little bit. Failure to push through. Top of the buns, baby. Top of the buns. We've had a pump and dump the last 2 days. So we've had a pump and dump the last couple days. I'm going to close this out here if it comes up. Let's close this out here. Take it. No? All right, we're closed out. GG's, everybody. Full GG's. Thank you, everybody. $500 today. $250 loss, up $250 today. Great job, everybody. GG's. Happy Easter. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Love it. Great trade. This can continue. I'm not saying it can't. I'm cautious right now. I'm cautious. I just don't think if we can't get above here, we're definitely coming back down. I'd rather take my money and run. An extra $100 doesn't hurt. We can always take another trade. We can take another long. We get the right. If we get the right statistics and the right candle patterns, we can take another long very easily. We have our Orby 1 Kenobi already in here now. The orb is set. Great close, in my opinion, right now. Okay, coming down. Big rollover for the Nas. SPY coming back down as well. Okay, so careful here, friends. Round trip price action, right? Understand your environment. What happened yesterday, everybody? What happened yesterday? We took the long, right? We took the long. That was a great long yesterday. What happened after that? We took the long from here. They wrecked everybody. Okay? Environment is everything. Take your money, take your little breadcrumbs, your base hits out of the market, and run. Re-enter if you want. That's my suggestion. Great job, Buck. GG's, everyone. $19 more likes. 16 more likes. Let's see if we can find another one. Another one. DJ Khaled. Coffee's good today. Coffee is good today. Still waiting here. Middle of the range. Hot dog zone again. Continuation. SPY bounce. Still waiting here. Too many people round trip. Yeah. I mean, good targets like of the low. Like, I mean, you don't. We're typically looking for a 1% move. That's typically what I'm looking for. We got a 0.6% move. Great. Take $500 and run. Right? No need to be greedy. Can't believe we almost have 300 likes. That's cool, man. Good morning. Still waiting. El Hijo, good morning to you. Whee, says French Toaster. Continuation French Toaster. What do you think, buddy? The bravest toaster. The pop-up notifications of them all. This might be a continuation. Nice hammer candle here. Continuation. 3 white soldiers. What happens after 3 white soldiers? We get chop and then pop, right? We all know that. Well, Discord knows that. Is that not you guys want 30-second chart or 5-second chart? 5-second chart. Let's go 5-second chart. Get you your guys' dopamine hits. I know you guys need it, so we'll look at it here. We're dumping. We're dumping. Guys, we're dumping. We're going to 0. We're going to 0. What happened to my chat? Look at those pretty Otter Gang members. Incredible. Ryan's square pad. Looking at you taking trades or never wrecking. Well, you should never ever get wrecked. You should always use a stop loss, right? I took a loss this morning. And then that was a good loss. It was a rush trade. It was correct. It was just I should have waited for confirmation. I got wicked out. Wicked out on the same candle that I got long on after confirmation. Pretty funny, if you ask me. Pretty funny. Same candle, same trade. Stop loss below the low. I got golden pocket. Right? So 312 likes. Thank you, everybody. Yeah, that's amazing. Great recovery, buddy. Well, high probability trades with good R multiple, right? That's what it is. Risk to reward. I can take 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades. And over time, as long as I'm taking high probability trades, my P&L will be good. That's it. We're here every day, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. 2 trades yesterday. 1 trade yesterday. Great trade yesterday. 2 trades on Monday. Both of those were really good too. Hey, Alex, can you share your leverage? Yeah, right here, man. Right here. Don't be confused, though. My fees on Bitunix are VIP 7, okay? My fees are lower than yours. I mean, MexC has decent fees. I don't trust MexC anymore, but KSEX has good fees. I'm not sponsored by any of those. I have a MexC link if you want to use it, but that's up to you. I've been using Bitunix. I'm pretty happy with it right now, so I'll stick with that. I use Bitunix. I have a good partnership with them. But I have lower fees, right? I have VIP 7 down here, as you can see. So I have cheaper fees than most people. Coming down here, retesting VWAP again. Possible long. Looks bearish to me, though. Looks like we're coming down. Look for a breakdown, retest, continuation down. For a potential short here. See how it reacts here on VWAP. Still waiting. Like I said, I'd really like to see it sweep the lows here. So that would be great. I'm going to take a short here. Half a position size. I can add to this trade if I want. Okay. Very small position size for me, giving it some wiggle room. Very small. Okay. Only got 50,000 in this trade right now. I'm in. I can look to add in here possibly. Put my stop loss up in here. See if it does want to roll over though. Maybe a bit rushed again. Are we rushing again? No, we're just getting exposure. This is more of a ladder in trade. We'll see if it does work. A little bit of a battle coming in here, isn't it? We'll see. Like I said, small position size, so no ad yet. Still waiting here. It's gonna hold VWAP here, really. That's wild. Retest back into VWAP, continuation up. Still very small position size, so I still got a bunch of room here. Considering to add here. I'm gonna add there. Dump it Bitcoin. Average price back up into here now. Dump it. Come on. Come on, baby, dump it. Send it to 0. Stalling out here. No direction. Yeah. It's holding VWAP here. Slow action. Yeah. Black and blue. Why am I adding to my losers? It was intentional when we started the trade. I wanted exposure initially. Exposure in case it rolled over here. Retest a VWAP in case it rolled over here. But I only got in half a position size so I could add to the trade up in here if we retested the previous lows, just planning the trade out that way. Stalling out here, this might push up now. Failure to really follow through here. I don't know if I like this anymore now. I would have liked to see this roll over here. Quite the stall out here. This candle is important here. We'll see how it closes. Trigger wave. I don't like this candle here. This looks like it has strength to the upside now. Still waiting. Damn, this is some slow ass price action, friends. Some slow ass price action. Pushing here. I can't force it. Yeah, we might have continuation to the upside here. This candle does not look good. VWAP holding. VWAP holding. Damn, Daniel. That's how the cookie crumbles. 10 a.m. It's time to go have some breakfast with the family. We'll see how this trade plays out. Stop loss above the high. I'm going to send you guys over to Piper Academy. Make sure you guys go over there, subscribe, hang out. We'll see how the rest of this trade goes. Winner. Maybe another winner. Who knows? We'll see how it goes. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out with me. We have a Discord live today. Looking forward to that. Make sure you guys get ready for that. Maybe do some live trading today. God bless every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you guys later. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product's base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product's base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.